So the economic benefit of maintaining your vehicles in a structured, proper approach is that you will know when your vehicles are out, when your vehicles are in, when to rent, when to augment. Because why are you doing this? You are doing this for customer satisfaction. When I was at that company, I decided to professionalize the workshop. We checked, we inspected, we did everything. But the primary focus for the mechanics, they changed from being just typical mechanics to almost quality assurance people. We did a proactive approach. We found issues before they manifested into bigger issues. And that's what you're going to have to do to make sure your fleet runs even much more smoother. It was a great challenge, tremendous, and I loved it. I made sure that parts did not disappear into thin air like people normally do.